it wasn't that easy for thousands of soldiers who in fact waited to rescue people stuck in the Chennai deluge, waiting for instructions that came in too late.
A city to rescue, but nowhere to go. 100 soldiers geared with boats, food and water, waiting and waiting on the roads of Chennai, waiting for the civil administration to guide them, tell them where they should go to carry out relief and rescue operations. Troops who have come all the way from Hyderabad. Shocked, these two men who drove down from Bangalore to help and who accompanied the army.
We came here by around 11 o'clock. Going by their words, they say they've been up by 6 o'clock in the morning. It's 3:30 now and none of them have an idea where to go.
Here, because of the civil administration, the way it's been run, the army is being wasted.
After waiting for an hour, they finally leave and reach Pallikaranai, one of the areas worst hit by the floods.
Is there lack of coordination? Because to find where the place is very easy.
No, sir. Came along with them. We are very fast in movement.
Actually, like we wanted to go to the area where people really require army, because we went to go to extreme and get the people out. That's why we are waiting for the critical areas to go and operate.
And who will tell you those places?
Civil administration will tell us.
The Jayalalitha government is facing criticism for mishandling the crisis. This incident, perhaps isolated, but certainly telling.
See, really, initially, I think these are the teething problems, because we have to bridge the gaps in the communication. Like, for example, for today, we've been there, what you're saying is right, we've been there trying to help. They are also trying to bridge the gap, but there are a lot of pressing requirements they also have. And we also want to go and help really at the...
You don't know where to go.
Exactly. So we need to go to places where they really require us.
It's 4:30 now and the army has finally got some direction from the civil administration as to where they should go ahead and carry out their relief operations. In a time when Tamil Nadu faces one of its worst calamities, are such delays at all ever justifiable? With camera person Dinesh Harale in Chennai, Tejas Mehta for NDTV.